like starting this in between another vlog that I had already did the other day, but I was in a rush and really didn't get to finish it. But right now I'm headed to buy a pedal commander for my truck. So I've been hearing good stuff about that. And since it's on these big ass wheels and tires right now, it's the gearing is a little bit off on the highway. So I know that don't fix the gearing, but I heard it help it stop gear hunting sometimes. But like it still do right in the city and shit. Like I don't have no problem at all. But it's just like a little bit of lag, like when you hit it on the highway and shit. So we gonna get that and see what it do. I heard real good shit about it, and I found a good deal on one kind of local. It's like 50 minutes away, so I'm headed there right now. But yeah, right now I'm doing probably like 60 something right now, and this motherfucker smooth. People always be asking me how I ride, but do pretty good, man. For me to not have went like stupid crazy on the high dollar lift and shit. And I'm on mud grips too, so they ain't even balanced super well. But I don't know, it do pretty good. I don't mind it at all. It ride better than it did on them smaller grips to me. Like it's got at certain speeds, it's got like a little bit of bounce to it because of the grips or whatever, but it ain't bad. But the other day I had to cut up the fenders and shit so I could turn a little bit better, because I couldn't turn that good at first, but I can turn decently now. Backing up is still a little bit of a hassle, but I'm gonna cut a little bit more clean in there. We'll be good to go, because I don't want my shit fucking 10 feet in the air. I don't like that look. I like the least amount of lift possible with a big ass wheel. So we alright though. I mean, y'all can see right now, I'm just cruising. It don't sound like it's straining or nothing, man. It do pretty good for real. You see my hand, the steering wheel ain't going crazy or no shit like that. So yeah, it shift like nothing. It's different. But that pedal commander should help a little bit in case I still want to put a trailer behind this motherfucker until I decide if I actually want to re-gear it or not. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Just giving y'all a little update. So after I get this pedal commander, I'm gonna try. I'll probably do like a 2-in-1 video showing me installing the pedal commander and then what I was cutting to. So yep, that's about it. I'll holler at y'all when I get to this place and get it. All right, y'all. It is. It is day 3 of this long ass drawn out ass vlog. So I was in a rush yesterday because I had to get to school and shit, but I did end up getting it. So what I'm about to do today, I think it's like a 10-minute install because I'm in a rush today too. So I'm gonna hurry up and try to get this shit on, drive a little bit with it. Yeah, I'm gonna drive a little bit with it, and then yeah, see how I like it. So yeah, I'm about to install it. I'm about to look up a video real quick, and I don't have nowhere to hard mount this bitch yet because I don't know if I'm gonna like it or not yet. But I'm about to hook it up, see what it's talking about, and then I'll be back. So get it to focus. Come on. Alright, I got it hooked up. I'm gonna start with it on city. I'm gonna do +2. And then if I don't like that, I'm gonna go to sport. But they say it's good to start with city just to see how you like it, and then we'll see. I'm gonna go to sport and sport plus, but I'm gonna drive around a little bit and see what it do. So, all right, I'll be back again. I forgot to film this part, but it's pretty easy. Let me get my light. So you see that red switch right there, that's the gas pedal switch. You just pull that little red part up and press the tab and then pull off, and then you plug the pigtail for the power pedal commander in it. This right here is the pedal commander pigtail. That right there is your gas pedal switch right there. So you just switch, and I just got it looped right here because I'm gonna mount it when I see how I like it, but I just wanted to test it real quick. So yeah, I just wanted to show y'all that real quick. It's stupid easy. It's a video on YouTube and it's a minute long. So yeah. So far I do notice a difference. Let me see if I can. happen if I tap it to downshift. Oh yeah. I'm gonna go up in here and see if I can change it to sport and see what happens. But that motherfucker downshift with goddamn like lightning now, boy. I can't really notice much of a difference, to be real with you, but I'm just in sport +1. I ain't even turn this bitch up, but it's in 6 right now, overdrive, so I'm about to switch lanes and shit down shit. Make this motherfucker feel like he can get up, huh? I'm wondering how he's gonna do on the highway. Only thing I see that I don't really like so far is it downshift a little too far. Like from 6th they went to 3rd, but I mean I guess that's good to get this big motherfucker moving. 6th to 4th to 3rd, some shit like that. But we'll see. I'm gonna take off. I'm gonna barely tap it from the stop sign and get y'all a little. Yeah, I definitely noticed a difference. Yep, that's pretty much it for just down the street. I'm just around school and shit right now, so I can't really open this motherfucker up. But I gotta run downtown in like 20 minutes, so I'm gonna take my camera with me and take it on the highway downtown and see how I do. So I'll holler at y'all then. Alright, about to get on the highway. Little bitch, come on now. I hate Florida drivers, man. Let's see what the traffic looking like. It just went in the overdrive up the hill, so I know what it is saying. Yeah, it shifted in the overdrive quicker, so I'd say it made a little difference. I'm gonna play with it some more, but for now, not a bad investment. And my speedo's still off, so I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. Man, get the fuck out the fast lane, man. God damn. Yeah, it's not losing speed in overdrive like it was before, so it's not bad. this lady, man. We got horses in the back. No, we good. Yeah, so far it ain't bad, man. It go into overdrive a lot easier now. I still need to get my shit corrected in the computer so it know what size tires on, but so far it's actually a little bit better. So I'm gonna probably play with some more modes and shit, but overall I say it was worth it. I got mine for pretty cheap too. I don't know if I would have paid the full 300 for it online, but I got mine for like 170, so I feel like it was worth it. Oh goddamn, we in traffic. Bro, why do people slam on brakes way before they even get up there? But yeah, I say it was worth the little 170 I spent. I was gonna do a video on the shit I cut, but I just don't have time, man. With school and all that shit, I'm just busy right now. I'm gonna do another video into detail on how much I really had to cut. Cause I know everybody on Facebook been asking me like what all I had to do to get the 6s to fit. So I'm gonna do that whenever I get a chance. But other than that, the pedal commander is a go. We'll do it again. Don't know if I pay full price, but if you can find one online used, I'll do it. Cause I mean you can hear my shit shifting in the background right now. It's moving. And that's still, my motor ain't even 100% healthy. I know I still got that little issue with the timing change or whatever, but I don't know. This motherfucker doing pretty decent now. I can deal with this. But yeah, before I be just talking on and on forever, y'all like, comment, subscribe per usual. Turn notification bells on if you have not. And any people in Florida, man, that's like got trucks and shit, want me to do some truck reviews and blah blah blah. If y'all just want a link, man, I'm trying to get me a little truck club started soon. That ain't with a bunch of fucking kids yelling up 4 times and all that shit that don't know shit about nothing. The kids still live with their parents and they want to be in the street so bad, but I'm not. I just want a club with other grown people who work for their shit. So if y'all interested in that, man, comment and let me know. I be in that Stans Nation group a lot on Facebook, so if you're looking for me, go on there. I post a lot on there. But other than that, that's it. Peace.
Diamonds on me fleeting, diamonds on me fleeting, diamonds on me fleeting. Bad bitch with me freaking. Fuck that bitch this evening. Fuck that bitch then leave her. 21 Savage don't need you. Dog nigga hoe mistreat her. 2 cell phone, sell dope, no beeper. Keep my mouth closed, I don't know those